how are you? So yes, we are again here with another activity of DIY, and as you all know what we say, let us learn to fly high as we do yellow classes DIY. Okay, so here we are again here with our new DIY activity. Shipra, on behalf of Yellow Class, welcome you, and I hope you are enjoying our DIY activities. Okay, kids, so today I have this quacky duck. So duck says quack, quack, quack. So we are going to make this beautiful duck, which is quite simple. What we need is a paper cup, googly eyes, just one pair of googly eyes. Okay, a pencil to draw the wings, glue, scissor, yellow color, and the paper, a very less amount of paper for the wings as well as the feet as well as the beak. So what I have done, I have just taken a sponge, a yellow color sponge. I have already kept my sponge inside this yellow color, and I am going to color it. So you can take it on a small plate, this yellow color, and with a sponge you can just paint it. We'll do just simple painting, kids. Quickly we can just do the painting, taking care that we are doing the top also. See, simply I have taken this yellow color and I have done the painting. I have not used water, as the even depends on the quality of the glass, because if it's too thin, we really don't want too much water on it. So I have simply applied color with the help of the sponge. So as we have done sponge painting earlier, it's simply like that only. Only yellow color I have done. I have done the top also, and even this part also. Now kids, it will take some time to dry. Okay, it will take few minutes to dry. So what I have done, I have taken another cup which I have already done earlier, same way. So I have this cup which I have done earlier. So I will be using this. So it takes little time to dry. So keep it for just few minutes to dry, and then you can continue. But right now I am continuing. I have already taken one more cup which I have painted earlier, the same way I have shown you. And then what you have to do, you simply have to draw the wings. So again, for the wings, what we are doing, we are folding our paper. I have again taken those leftover sheets. When I do so many activities, you also do so many activities, so we can use the leftover paper, and we are making the wings. So it's again a U, a big U, and a V like this. So these are the wings, just a U and then the V. These are the wings. So we'll cut the wings first. Now I will do the detailing of this, the simple cutting. I hope kids the instructions are clear. I am not going fast. It's quite simple. We have just drawn a U and we have made the wings. So as I always tell you, take care that you So these are the wings. We'll keep this part downwards. Okay, so the wings are ready. 2 wings are ready. And then we'll make the legs and the beak. For beak also, what we are going to do, we are going to draw 2 lines like this. Okay, I will draw it with a sketch pen so that it's clear. Just a 11 I have to draw, and then I will draw a V like this. I will cut it also. Okay, and we will stick it from the center. We could have done it the other way around also, but okay. We stick it like this. Okay. And then the legs. So for the legs also, it's again a U and 3 fingers. So same way, but in a smaller size. Little thin from here and little smaller from front. And again we'll cut it. So what I've done, I have just cut it like this, and then I will do the small detailing part so that it becomes easy to cut. So I hope this is still here, it is clear. So for the legs, we need to make the same shape but in a smaller size with little V at this tip instead of U as we have done in wings. Again, we will just cut it. So basically, we are almost done. What we have to do is, we just have to stick the legs like this. So what I will do, I will apply glue here and here. This is for the legs, and this tip I am sticking here. This is done. Then I will take my 2 googly eyes and exactly at the top of this, I am going to put my eyes. Okay, so this is moving. I need to keep it fixed so that it doesn't come out again. So this is the way. Now I am again going to put my googly eyes here. Okay. We just need to check that both the eyes are exactly at the same position. Then we will put this. And what I will do, I will do the outline of this also from inside. And we apply glue here so that it sticks properly. And this is coming out because it has to be exactly at this rim. Okay, so both the rims, then our beak is like this. Okay, this will take little time to fix. Now we are talking about the wings. So what the wings, what we are going to do, we will give again a little bend, a very little bend. This going like this, so a bend like this. Again here, keeping it at the same position, I am giving a bend here. Okay. So at this position, I will apply the glue so that I can stick my wings like this. Okay. Again, I have given this fold and applying the glue here. Taking care that exactly at the same position, I will stick my wings. So yes, both the wings are ready, but my legs are still not stuck properly. Now what I will do, I will apply glue here so that it gets enough glue to stick nicely. And so we have our quacky duck. I will give just few seconds to this to just stick the legs. But the legs has got little more glue, so let me just manage it. See, our quacky duck is ready. So we had this duck here. So this is also ready, kids. It's our quacky duck. So I hope you have enjoyed watching it. It was quite simple. You just need to take care that you have to now, this is also dry. Okay, so basically we need to give some time for it to dry. It has to rest for some time. That's why I have done it earlier and I have shown you. So I hope you have enjoyed making this lovely quacky duck. You can make it and do let us know, have you enjoyed it? So till the time we meet next, kids, it's bye from Shipra, and on behalf of Yellow class also, it's time to say bye-bye. So stay tuned and we are coming up with more DIY. Bye-bye, kids.